Please close your eyes. Music is clear. It is audible.
हरे कृष्णा देवी। हाँ, आवाज आ रहा है आपका। म्यूजिक अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है।
आप थोड़ा चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर देंगे if it is clear or not.
हाँ, यस यस माता जी।
Yeah. First of all, back straight, shoulder broad, chin up. Means आपको एकदम अपना back straight करके बैठना है and focus on your breath. If background music is not there, not is okay. We'll start the concentration.
Namastasye, Namastasye,
Thank you. Focus on your breath.
Namastasye, Namo
Inhale
Namaha.
and long exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply. आपका stomach बाहर आना चाहिए. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. You can also exhale from your mouth. This inhale exhale process, when we do consciously, it helps us to become peaceful. It activates our vagus nerve, which is responsible for our calmness, or peaceful state. तो जब भी आपको ऐसा एजिटेशन या एंजाइटी होती है, just do this simple exercise. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath completely. Okay, it also helps in improving focus. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. I hope you all remember Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. तो आज हम सबसे पहले ये प्रेयर अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए करेंगे. दे आर द सोर्स ऑफ अवर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स. सबसे पहले उनसे अपना रिलेशन हील करेंगे. सो ब्रिंग योर मदर इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर मेंटल आईज. कीप योर आईज क्लोज्ड. अपनी माँ को, अपनी माता को अपने सामने देखिए. See her smiling face in your mental eyes. Visualize her face. We'll tell our mother, our mom, I'm sorry, my dear mother, mom. Many times I have hurt you knowingly, unknowingly. कई बार मैंने आपको हर्ट किया है, कभी जान के, कभी अनजाने में. कई बार ऐसी बातें की हैं जो मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for not understanding your sacrifice. Since childhood, you have taken care of me. There's so many sleepless nights where you have dedicated to me. मुझे तो शायद याद भी नहीं जब मैं छोटी थी, छोटा था, कितना मैंने आपको परेशान किया है. Go into your childhood memories and recall those incidents when you have demanded so many things to your mom, your mother. I want to eat this. I don't want to eat this. I want this particular thing this way only. Otherwise, I'm not going to, do this or that. I'm not going to study. And she always tried to serve you unconditionally. हमेशा उन्होंने जो प्यार दिया है, अपना बेस्ट दिया है, अनकंडीशनल दिया है. Mom is one person in this world whose love is pure. Purest form of love on this earth is love of a mother. I'm sorry, Mom, for completely complaining to you, you're not giving me time, you're not giving me money, you're not fulfilling my demands. Please forgive me for all those silly complaints. I'm sorry, Mama, for not giving attention to you. You had pain so many times, but I have neglected. As many times I have not even asked her, how are you? Are you struggling? Are you happy in life? I have never asked you. Many times I have criticized you, compared you with other mamas, other moms. My friend's mother is better than you. You are not like this, like that. Today, I want to ask forgiveness from bottom of my heart, from all those conscious, unconscious, known, unknown mistakes I have committed towards you. बचपन से अभी तक जाने अनजाने में मुझसे बहुत सारी गलतियां हुई हैं। आज मैं सब के लिए माफी मांगना चाहती हूँ। I have never told you I love you. Today I want to tell you from my heart. I want to express my love. I love you so much. I thank you so much for your unconditional love, unconditional care. You did your best as per your understanding, as per your capacity. आपसे जो हो सकता था, आपकी समझ के अंदर तक जो था, उसके अनुसार आपने बेस्ट किया। Thank you so much for all the sacrifices you have made for me. Thank you for all those moments when you have encouraged me. I was totally depressed, hurt, but you were there beside me. You did your best. जो आपसे बना आपने किया मेरे लिए। Whatever I am today, it is because of your sacrifice. Thank you so much. If you have any complaints towards your mother today, release it, because she did her best as per her understanding, and recall all beautiful moments where she has sacrificed for you so much. Remember all those moments when she provided for you and sacrificed her wishes, her desires. उन्होंने अपनी इच्छाओं को दबाया और आपकी इच्छाओं को पूरा किया। और सारा जीवन उन्होंने इस प्रकार से ही बिताया है। I love you so much. I am so much grateful to you for all that love and sacrifice. You have made for the entire family. एक बार दिल से बोलिए, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Breath in and just visualize your mother is smiling. Touch her feet and express your gratitude. Hug her if it is possible. Give a warm hug to your mother and say, I thank you and I love you. Now bring your father's face in front of your mental eyes. पिताजी को याद कीजिए and tell your father, I'm sorry, Papa, for judging you many times. Many times I told you are so strict, you are so rude, and you don't provide for us whatever I desire. जो मुझे चाहिए था आपने दिया नहीं. I have so many complaints against you. I'm sorry for all those silly complaints. Sorry, Papa, for not understanding you. How you have worked hard day and night for us without thinking about your own health. You tried your best in your capacity to provide for the family. आपके हाथ में जो था आपने किया. आपकी समझ के अंदर जो था उसके अनुसार आपने एकदम बहुत बहुत अच्छा किया. But I had complaints. And you are not giving me time. You are not giving me money. You are very rude. You are very strict. You don't love us. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not able to notice all those austere moments, all those hard work you have done for us. इतना एफर्ट्स लिया आपने हम सबको बड़ा करने के लिए, मुझे बड़ा करने के लिए. I love you, Papa. I thank you so much for all your hard work, for all your efforts taken for me. Thank you. Thank you so much. I owe my life to you. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ आपकी वजह से हूँ. Recall all those beautiful moments your parents, your father encouraged you, supported you, provided as per their best of capacity. जो उनके हाथ में था वो उन्होंने किया. I have never expressed my love so far. Today I want to express my love to you. I love you so much. Please forgive me for my silly mistakes. जाने अनजाने में जो मिस्टेक्स मैंने की हैं मुझे कृपया क्षमा कीजिए. I could not see your love behind your anger, behind your worry. See, your father is smiling. Touch his feet and give a warm hug. Sorry, please forgive me. I love you. I owe my life to both of you. Take a deep breath in and release. Now, remember one person who has hurt you the most. ऐसे व्यक्ति को याद कीजिए जिसने आपको हर्ट किया है. When you want to heal that relationship, आप चाहते हैं कि वो relationship heal हो. You don't want to keep grudges against that person. a deep breath in and bring that person's image in front of you. You want to heal that relation. It could be spouse, colleague, boss, children, friends, anyone. किसी एक व्यक्ति को सामने लेके आइए. As you understand, I'm 100% responsible for anything which is happening in my life. ये हम समझते हैं, I take 100% responsibility of my life, events, people who are coming in my life, things which are happening, situations, opportunity, events, experiences. They all are there. They are just reflection of my inner self. And they have come to teach me a lesson. They have come in my life to make me evolve, to make me progress and reach to that self-realization state. ये सारे व्यक्ति जो मेरे जीवन में आए हैं, उन्हें मैंने ही बुलाया है. And consciously, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, they are doing as per universal law. And Krishna wants me to progress. That's why those challenges are there. Tell this person, I'm sorry for blaming everything on you. जो कुछ हुआ, मैं हर बार हमने क्या किया है, ब्लेम. मैं दुखी हूँ आपकी वजह से, मैं बीमार हूँ आपकी वजह से, ना मैं रो रहा हूँ, मैं असफल हूँ. I am a failure because of you. But today I understand. You are not responsible for my failure. You are not responsible for that hurt. You are not responsible for that sadness. I am the one who is responsible. I am the one who has created it. I am the one who can resolve it by Krishna's mercy. I'm sorry for blaming everything on you, whatever have been happened. जो कुछ भी हुआ, उसका सारा ब्लेम आप पे डालने के लिए मुझे माफ कीजिए. Now I understand. Even I am also responsible. Actually, I am the only one who is responsible for that situation. My frequency is responsible. I was in low vibrations. ना मेरी frequency low थी. I was going through that low vibrations. That's why that happened. Not because of you. I attracted you because of my low frequency. Please forgive me for not taking responsibility. Please forgive me for holding grudges against you. ना आपके बारे में बहुत बुरा भला सोचा. आप ऐसे हो, वैसे हो. कई बार हम लेबल भी करते हैं, you are toxic, you are narcissist, you are demon. Yeah, maybe they are, but I have attracted them in my life, right? I'm sorry for holding so many complaints, negativity against you, and I didn't know this negativity which I'm holding towards you is harming me, myself. It's like drinking poison and expecting other one to die. जब भी हम grudges hold करते हैं, we are drinking poison. That we are becoming that person. We are developing those qualities which we hate for. जिससे हमें नफरत थी, वही हम बनने लगते हैं. In Bhagavatam, there is a beautiful section where Dattatreya has 24 gurus. One of them was one heat, उसका special नाम है. I don't remember that. So he said that I learned how the meditation is important. On who we are meditating on. If I'm meditating on wrong people, I'm becoming that people. एक कीट होता है, वो छोटे कीड़ों को पकड़ के अपनी गुफा में लेके जाता है जहाँ वो रहता है, that place. And those small insects, they are so fearful, thinking of that big insect that he is going to come back and eat me, and they keep on meditating on it with fear, and they become that insect. This is how it happened in reality, in real world. So Krishna is teaching us all these lessons. Yeah, take responsibility, take care of your frequency, emotions, आपकी भावना का ध्यान रखिए, आपके whatever you think, be mindful कि what thought I'm creating, what emotions I'm generating. And like attracts like. What emotion thought I'm generating, I'm manifesting it. I am manifesting it, not the other person. I'm sorry, please forgive me for not taking care, for judging you, for criticizing you, for disconnecting from you. And many times when you needed me, I left you alone. I was very harsh on you, isn't it? We were also very sometimes unjust to others, towards other people. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for all the mistakes I have committed knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously. Please forgive me. I thank you for this lesson, this beautiful lesson of life, which made me mature, which made me wise enough, which made me to see larger picture of life, what is going on, which made me inclined towards spirituality. अगर वो परेशानी नहीं आती तो शायद हम कभी स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ जाते ही नहीं, भगवान कृष्ण की तरफ मुड़ते ही नहीं. Thank you for this experience, this deep experience. I needed this lesson. That's why this happened, this problem happened in my life. This disagreement, this hurt, sadness came into my life. It doesn't matter who is right and wrong. I just want to clear my energy. तो यहाँ पे हम इस चीज में नहीं फंसेंगे कि वो गलत थे कि मैं गलत थी, वो सही थे कि मैं सही था. It doesn't matter at all. On energy level, we all are one. If you are healing, that person is healing. If you are going complaint and criticism and cribbing, he is also developing or she is also developing that complaint, criticism, and cribbing. So just from bottom of your heart, say thank you for that lesson. Say thank you. You became more responsible. And remember all good things if it is possible for you to remember about that person whenever that person supported you. कभी ना कभी तो अगर आपके वो क्लोज रिलेशन में है या कहीं भी है, he must have done something good for you. I'm sorry for blaming everything because of my emotional turmoil. And thank you. I really want to say thank you. I express my gratitude for your support, for your help. So today I choose to move on, and I let you also to move on in your life. Today I want to set myself free, and at the same time I want you also go ahead in your journey. I choose to let go that anger. I let go that hurt. I let go that sadness, that complaint. We both have freedom, is it? From this karmic cycle. बहुत entanglement हो गया है now. Now we want to be free, so that we can perform our devotional service with full heart and soul. Krishna will be so pleased if you can just let go those negativity in your heart. Move on in life. Life is very short for keeping all those grudges in heart, isn't it? कलयुग में तो छोटा ही होता जा रहा है. अगर वो समय भी हम इन सब चीजों में बिता देंगे तो हम भगवान को कब याद करेंगे? Because it is not possible to remain in two states together, right? According to NLP. If you are in gratitude, if you are remembering Krishna, you cannot remember those hurtful feelings, those complaints, anger. It is not possible. Because जहाँ कृष्णा है वहाँ माया नहीं है. negativity is another form of Maya Devi. So last time, just tell that person, I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you, I thank you, I'm grateful to you. Can you imagine now as you take deep breath in, all the mercy of Krishna is going inside and all the grudges, all the negativity, anything which is troubling you is going outside. Release it when you exhale. Release, let go, and move on in life. Release yourself, free yourself from that karmic cycle. Wonderful, amazing. Now we'll express gratitude to our own self, to Krishna. Thank you, Krishna, for giving this wonderful life. This human form of life is a rare opportunity to reach to you, but going back and back to Godhead. And please give me intelligence, please give me that wisdom, so that I can make proper choice in my life. Because this world which you have made is the world of duality. इसमें सभी चीजें हैं, दोनों चीजें हैं, अच्छाई बुराई, दिन रात. मुझे ऐसी शक्ति दे ताकि मैं सही डिसीजन लूं जो मुझे आपकी तरफ लेके जाए. Now tell thank you to your own body, to your own self, to your soul. अपना नाम लीजिए. Tell yourself, I'm sorry, please forgive me, because many times we also judge ourselves, we go into guilt. Although we have done some mistakes. Yeah, everybody commits mistakes because we are not Krishna, right? We are Jivatma. Forgive yourself for any mistake you have done consciously, unconsciously, knowingly, unknowing. Today, release yourself from that guilt. Learn your lesson and move on in life. हो गई गलती, अभी क्या करेंगे, हो गई, सबसे होती है, मुझसे भी हो गई. Today I forgive myself, my soul who is part of Krishna. Let go that pain, release that guilt. Many times we also judge ourselves. ना मैं अच्छी नहीं दिखती हूँ, मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता हूँ, मेरे अंदर ये क्वालिटी नहीं है, तो वो क्वालिटी नहीं है, मुझे ये नहीं आता, वो नहीं आता. You can learn everything. If you are living with the reality, with this truth that I am part of Krishna and I have unlimited potential, nothing is impossible for me. Many times you have underestimated yourself. कई बार हम underestimate करते हैं खुद को. In terms of I'm not by saying such sentences, such self-talk, just notice it कि ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, बहुत बुरा हूँ, बहुत बुरी हूँ. Today, please forgive yourself. You also deserve love. तो आज बोलेंगे, it does not matter who love me or not, I love myself because my Krishna loves me. अभी हम we are not going to become beggar of love. We are not going to become beggar for asking no. Give me this and give me that, attention, respect, significance. No. It's going to create more hurt. It's going to create more negativity in the heart. So tell yourself, कोई प्यार करे या ना करे, कोई रिस्पेक्ट दे या ना दे, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I respect myself. I love myself as a part of Krishna. कोई मेरे ऊपर भरोसा करे या ना करे, I am going to believe in myself. It doesn't matter anybody believes in you or not. It doesn't matter anybody criticize you. It doesn't matter anybody comments or sarcastically or taunting on you. It doesn't matter. It's their programming. It's nothing to do with me. I'm enough. I'm confident. I'm powerful soul of Krishna. तो आज खुद को बोलेंगे, I'm sorry for leaving you alone. I'm sorry for disconnecting from you. Tell yourself, keep your hand on your heart. I love myself. I respect myself. I accept myself from all my mistakes and shortcomings. I love myself. I respect myself. I accept myself from all shortcomings. I love myself because I am not giving up. Although I am struggling in my life, I want to progress. So give pat on your back. ना अपने आप को शाबाशी दे कि मैंने give up नहीं किया अभी तक जीवन में. The fact you have joined this course, you want to improve and you are improving. आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आप बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. And notice your small wins. It's very important. हम सबको encouragement चाहिए और ये encouragement बाहर से कभी नहीं मिलेगा. So appreciate yourself for small tiny efforts. You have joined this meditation so early in the morning. Appreciate yourself. There are 50 people in the group. Only 5 have joined. You deserve this appreciation. You deserve pat on your back. You deserve this praise. तो जो हम दूसरों से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम खुद को देंगे कि बाहर से नहीं मिलने वाला. It's not there. It is within you. Now just recall all the people who have helped you in your life and tell them I thank you, I love you. अंत में अभी हम उन सब लोगों को याद करेंगे जो आपके जीवन में इम्पोर्टेंट है. All important people in your life. Tell them I love you, I thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you. Including yourself. The most important person in your life is you yourself. If you are happy, your relationship with yourself is good, then everything will be taken care. अगर आप खुद से खुश हैं, if you have that confidence, if you have that self-love, then you can spread that love, that help, care to everyone else. लेकिन जब आप खुद से नाराज हैं, तो हम कभी किसी को भी खुश नहीं कर सकते. So make a diary and write every day at least 3 things you appreciate about your own self. कि आज मैंने मेडिटेशन ज्वाइन किया, आज मैंने 15 मिनट 20 मिनट बुक रीडिंग किया, आज मैंने अपने गोल की तरफ ये काम किया, योगा किया, छोटी चीजें. आज मैंने किसी को मदद की. I made someone else smile today. And give pat on your back. Always try to improve more and more in this path. हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहिए और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करते रहिए. Wonderful. Take a deep breath in. Release. Grab your palm. Thank you so much. One word in chat box. How are you feeling? अगर आपने मेडिटेशन किया है, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Let me know. And set an intention for the day. आज का दिन आप कैसा चाहते हैं? I will be in a gratitude vibration today. Decide. Once you decide, you will do it. You will definitely do it. कि आज कुछ नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशन आया, उसको चेंज करना है. यूज होपोनोपोनो. balanced perspective. Say thank you to those challenges, and they will convert into opportunity. So we'll end here. Have a wonderful day ahead. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.